Hey, welcome to the inside of Letterman. This is our newsletter software. And I wanted to show you a real case study. Obviously, since this workshop here is focused on local, these are the local newsletters that we have going out. We have one for Summerlin, we have one for Houston, and all of our members also have local newsletters, okay? We also have a lot of niche newsletters, but this account here is mainly focused on the local model. So if I were to come over here and edit this, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. As this opens up, you're going to see that it is very, very easy to just crank out these incredible newsletters using my custom software, okay? So you can see that there's like a logo at the top here, then we have some trivia questions, then we're able to pull in some videos here. You can see that we can inject all these links and bullets and emojis and icons and all this really, really cool stuff, right? We can have sponsors. This is one of our sponsors in the area. They're able to pay us to do these ads. Here's another sponsor. They got the, the Christmas celebrations coming up. Here's a fundraiser that we have going on, right? This little local newsletter is getting a 16% CTR. And what that means is out of everybody that reads it, 16% of them are actually clicking the links inside this newsletter. Now, how hard is it to create a newsletter? Well, let's come on over here and let's do this. If I go ahead and click add newsletter, watch this. It pulls everything in already. It's already got my header. It's already got my footer here. It's got everything here. And what I can do is I can go ahead and do a custom combo where I create the headlines and I create the descriptions and everything. Or I can come over here and I can drag something called a link teaser. And now I can very easily click this button here and I could go ahead and put this link in. I could make it include words. So if I want to monetize certain words, I can do that. I can have a call to action at the end. I could put a border here. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and say create article. And AI is going to go through and watch this. It's going to go ahead and write this article, and then it's linked the article as well. And I could also come over here and I could add a featured image. There's all kinds of cool stuff we can do. I'm just showing you very, very quickly how fast we can do this, okay? And we can do this with articles. We can, just go ahead and put in some words. So let's just go ahead and do like this. We'll do another one. We'll drop it in. This time I'm going to set content. I'm going to go ahead and say Las Vegas, and I'm going to say coffee, and I'm going to say new opening, okay? I'm going to go ahead and put a border around that, all right? And let's go ahead and click this button here, and watch. It's going to take those words, and it's going to go write this article for me, right? It's that fast. And so now let's go ahead and we're going to do something different. We can drop banners in here. We do images. There's, all the typical text tools that you're used to seeing. But I'm going to go ahead and drop a video here, right? So here's a video, and I'm going to go ahead and click on this button. I'm going to go ahead and paste the URL here. I'm going to say update the section and watch it. It's going to go and it's going to link the video, but it's going to pull in the thumbnail and everything, right? Look how fast we're able to do this. Now let's go ahead and click on the happy face and let's just go ahead and have some fun. Let's drive that trivia question in here. Here it is right there. And what do we got? In Summerlin, Nevada was the original master plan community. It started the development of the area in 1990. And we'll go ahead and put the answer down here at the bottom. There we go. Pretty cool, right? And then let's come over here and let's go ahead and put a quote right in the middle of it. How about that? Something to do with Summerlin, right? Keep your face always towards the sunshine and shadows will fall behind you. Good. Good stuff, right? Simple, easy stuff. How about this one? Interesting facts. We'll go ahead and drop that in. Look how fast I've gone and created this newsletter, right? And all I got to do is set it to approval. And then it'll go ahead and it'll write the subject line for me. Look at that. It wrote the subject line for me. It wrote the pre-header for me. I can come over here and I can go ahead and test this email out. I can change my text sizes, my link colors. Like there's so much we can do. And it's automatically said that there's 200 words here. There's 7 sections. There's 2 links in there. None of them are promotional. Like this software is absolutely incredible. And remember, I'm going to show you how to set it all up during our workshop, okay? And not only that, while you're waiting for the workshop to start, let me show you something else. So if I come back over here on my publication screen, right? Watch, you've never seen this before. I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to go ahead and click on this button here that says Visit Archive. Look at this. This is just sitting here waiting for you. You're going to have the same exact thing. This is the one archive for this newsletter right here. And if I were to go ahead and click this, you're going to see it opens up into this really, really nice preview. Yeah. But now here's something else that's really cool. If I go ahead and click on this button that says subscribe, now I could subscribe that way, or I could go ahead and subscribe down here at the bottom. But let's go ahead and click on this here. Watch this. This page that you're seeing, guess what? It's just sitting there waiting for you. There's nothing we had to do. There's nothing we had to design. It went and created the headline for us. It created a subheadline. It created all the bullets. It has created everything. And as soon as I come over here, and as soon as I register, I am now subscribed into that newsletter. Here's the thank you page. It opens up. But that's how fast this thing happens, right? So you have archives, you have sign-up pages, there's a monetization center, there's a ghostwriter, there's all these integrations in here. Every single autoresponder you can think of, it's in here. You can set up your own custom domains. Like, if that wasn't enough, watch what happens when I click on this tab over here that says Wizard. You see there? I'm able to go through. Let's go ahead and get started. And we're going to have some fun, right? I'm able to go through each and every one of these steps. This is how I learned to use the software, right? I'm able to earn points, unlock these features up here, okay? And all I got to do is click this here, and it opens up, and here's the step, and I complete it. The wizard's going to teach you how to use the software. You are going to fall in love with this software, okay? But like I said a minute ago, you're not going to have to wait for the workshop. Like, we're going to get started right now. See, check this out. We're going to put you into our members area right away. And you can see people are already going through and they're earning their points, their badges. Tony just unlocked this badge. But we're going to get you started right away while you're waiting for the workshop to start, okay? So we're going to figure out, what do you want to name your newsletter? We're going to teach you how to get the domain for it. We're going to build out the branding for it. We're going to create your first publication. We're going to set up your email system. We're going to create your community pages and your groups so that you're able to bring in subscribers. There's so much here that we're going to be doing, right? So not only do you get the software, but you also get to attend the workshop, and we're going to start you like right away as soon as you make a purchase. And on top of that, I'm also going to put you into our Facebook community, which looks just like this, right? So an incredible offer. I'm sure you would agree. It's absolutely crazy what you're able to do with newsletters, especially with the model that we've set up. And remember, we're going to teach you how to go out there and generate subscribers for 28 to 33 cents. Oh, and I got one more surprise to show you. See, if I come up here to this Chrome extension, if I open this up, you're going to see that these are all subscribers that are coming in. And this is our piece of software that is capturing the subscribers out of social media, firing off a tag, and putting them into your newsletter as a subscriber. This happens every single day. And the reason why is because we created the most incredible piece of software. And not only is it bringing in subscribers, but it is going to go through and it's going to sort, sift, and separate and determine if these subscribers are actual business owners, right? So this is a business owner, just not in the Summerlin area, right? And it just came through a little while ago. So how incredible is that? Not only do you get the newsletter software, not only do you get the 3-day workshop, not only do you get the members area that you can get started with right away, not only do you get added to the community, but now you're telling me that we also get this software right here? Yeah, and this software is so much more, because you see, this software ties to a whole entire CRM that is going to capture all of your prospects. All right. So I don't want to let the cat out of the bag. Just understand this is probably the greatest offer of all time. Like, seriously, this is a gift that keeps on giving. So come on in. The price is right. We're going to take care of you. We're going to launch your newsletter. It's going to be incredible. I'm going to teach you how to go out there and get these subscribers for 28 to 33 cents each. You're going to be able to do this all day long. Right there. Booyah. All right. Come on in.